Imagine uncovering the secrets of the legendary Vikings, who they were, where they went, and how they lived, through their very DNA. Well, scientists have just done that in one of the largest studies ever, sequencing the DNA of 442 individuals buried during the Viking Age across Europe. The findings? Absolutely mind-blowing. This groundbreaking study, published in the prestigious journal Nature, was led by Eske Willerslev from the University of Cambridge and the University of Copenhagen. Their work gives us a completely new perspective on the Vikings, revealing their family ties, migration patterns, and even cultural identities. Let's dive into what they discovered. First, the researchers found evidence of 4 Viking brothers buried together in Estonia. It's like a real-life saga of sibling warriors. They also found cousins separated by oceans, with one buried in Denmark and another in England. Can you imagine the stories these families could tell if they were alive today? But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Not all of those buried as Vikings were of Scandinavian ancestry. Some had roots tracing back to Sami, Irish, and Scottish origins. This tells us something incredible. Being a Viking wasn't just about where you were born or your genetics. It was a social role, a lifestyle that anyone could adopt, no matter their ethnic background. The DNA also confirms what ancient sagas have hinted at for centuries. Vikings from different regions had specific destinations in mind. Norwegians tended to head to Ireland and Greenland. Danes focused on England, and Swedes explored the Baltics and Russia. It's like each group had their own travel agenda. But even as they traveled far and wide, there's one thing that stood out. Genetic mixing within Scandinavia was surprisingly limited. Inland populations stayed genetically distinct for centuries, maintaining their unique identities despite the Vikings' global adventures. These discoveries are rewriting what we thought we knew about the Vikings. They weren't just Scandinavian warriors. They were a diverse group of people connected by a shared culture and ambition to explore the world. Their legacy is far more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. So what do you think about these revelations? Do they change the way you see the Vikings? Let us know in the comments. And if you're as fascinated by these ancient explorers as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible discoveries from the past and present. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.